channel. Okay, so after a really long time, I am back finally, and I will be answering some of your questions on this video. Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, I'm going to answer some of your questions. Like, this is going to be a Q&A slash get to know me tag. Now I think this is my 13th or 14th video of my channel, if I'm not wrong, and it does not make any sense me doing a Q&A video now. But I thought you guys should know me a bit, so I thought of doing. Does not matter. I'm just going to do it. By the way, new background. This is my study space. If you want to get a tour, you can get it. Books and fake plants and Bhagwan Chahiye and all the stuff are there, and a bit of, what is this called, fairy lights in Bangla, what we call tuni light. I think it is really cute. Okay, so I have asked my followers to kindly send their questions, questions that they want to ask me. But to be honest with you all, I did a massive thing that I thought that I cannot do ever in my entire life. That is, the day I posted that thing, like, I am going to do a video like this, give on your questions, suggest me your questions. There, like, I got, I think, some questions, but later I uninstalled Instagram because of some reason, and I didn't install it till now. So I frankly don't know whether people after that ask me anything or not. So, not knowing exactly what you guys asked, but having some questions, and also going through other YouTubers pages to see what questions are they, what questions you, like, their audience asks them. I'm going to answer some questions. These are the very general questions which people ask, very random, nothing like, there's no order and all this, nothing is happening, it's very random. So I just hope it interests you. Okay, so let me wear my specs, otherwise, by the way, I will be going to look at my laptop too. Okay, number one, what are your life goals? Life goals in the sense, like I would like to say that I really want myself to be a very warm person, which I'm trying to. I know it's not easy, but I'm trying. Because I really like warm people and kind people, so that is one of my life goals that I want to become like them. Okay, what is your favorite movie? Oh, my favorite movie is has to be Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Everyone knows because RK is there, and also there are many actually. There are not, like, but I can right now I remember that one only, so I'm telling you. Who are your favorite YouTubers? That's an interesting question. No doubt, mostly Sane. I love Prajakta. If you didn't know it today. I love her. I just love her. Prajakta is there. Bhuvan, Ashish, they are the top. I really like Gaurav Taneja from vlogging side. He does some awesome vlogs. And Larissa, I like a lot. I like Sejal. I like, oh my god, I'm forgetting. There are many. There I cannot like stop. Do you speak any languages, and how well? I can speak Bengali. I can speak English. I can speak Hindi, and I it's very I know a bit of French, but like it's like equal to not knowing. I know nothing actually, because in our school, like, we had French as a fourth language, so I was forced to know it. But I just know like bit, like everybody knows the same thing. Okay, how would you describe your fashion sense? I think my fashion sense is because everybody thinks that I am very, very, very dressy. Though I am dressy right now, I agree. But all the time I'm not. Most of the time I look like dude, just get some clothes, like, in that situation. So I think comfort is a very good thing, like key up thing, and I like anything. Oh my god, I'm fucking. And I like colorful things. Like I like to add some colors and make it a bit interesting. Okay, how would you describe? Oh, sorry. What is your go-to hairstyle? My go-to hairstyle is just this, ऊपर से, and then tying a bun, a messy bun that is not supposed to look aesthetic. It is supposed to look messy. So that is my go-to. How many siblings do you have? None. I have no siblings. I have cousins, but I am the only child. Your most memorable childhood memory. Most memorable childhood memory. These questions are like you need to have. I have to think so much. I think my most memorable would be like I remember that I am still a big fan of CID, and my sister and I used to play like CID where we used to do these dumbest shitty things. And I remember that once with like a red crayon I drew like marks on one of the doors saying "Khoon," and my mother gave me like smacked me that day. But I think we used to remember play all those nonsense things, and those were I really liked them. I enjoyed them, but they are very abnormal things, but I enjoyed them. So I think they will be like in my memory like forever. Okay, what are your morning and evening routines? It's very basic and it's very boring. I think like I wake up, I go to go to the washroom, and then I have my schools like online schooling. Yes, coming to that point, majority of the people think that either I am in class 7th or 8th grade, either I am in 7th or 8th grade, or either I am like a college student. Neither. I am in class 12. I am in class 12. Please don't answer this question, because I agree that I look younger because I am evergreen, but I am not in class 7 and 8. That is an insult. That is an insult. Dude, bro, please don't call me. Oh, evening and morning routines, right? So evening, then I will go like attend my online classes, and then maybe some tuitions I have, and then a bit of self study, and then watching YouTube videos in between. And this is the normal routine. Do you have any bad habit? Yeah, I think watching, like being on social media a bit is I think a bad habit for me. Tell us one thing that a thing about you that we wouldn't know. A thing that you wouldn't know. That I am not at all opinionated. Like in not that in sense that opinionated, but majority of the stuff there are certain major things which I should have opinion according to people, because I'm a debater, but I don't have because I don't want to have. And I think and I like that. I don't want to have opinion because maybe I don't know about the topic. So I just don't want to have any opinions. So people think that I have opinions because of me being like a orator or a speaker, but no, I don't have, and I really like that habit. Okay, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is white. I just love anything white. So whatever outfit I wear, like majority of the outfits that I have are white because I love white. If you wore a crayon, which color would you be? I think I will be grey. Bit of black, bit of white. Hair color? What? You're asking me? No, my mother is going to kill me right now. But I don't want to do actually, because I think my hair is like very bad. I just don't like my hair. It is like very, it controls me. So that's why I just don't like it. But no, I don't think I'll do any hair color any soon. Scary movie or happy endings? Why can't scary movie for once have happy endings so that I can watch them? Not scary movies at all. I just hate them. What your biggest pet peeve? Okay, my biggest pet peeve. I hate those people who, number one, as I said, like who have lot of opinion. Like for everything, they like as if society has forced them to have an opinion. If you don't have an opinion, that is also a very good thing. People will respect that too. And also, when you don't know the thing and you pretend as if you're knowing, just hate that quality. Just hate it. Just don't. What's the most ridiculous Wi-Fi name we have seen?